afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minutes. Happy Friday. Got equity markets fighting back from overnight weakness. First wave of selling came in last night when the People's Bank of China cut a key interest rate. They also fixed the yuan at the weakest level against the dollar. It traded to the weakest level since June of last year. And then this morning you had CNBC release a clip about President Trump talking about $500 billion worth of tariffs. So two waves of selling. Key support in the S&P at 27.89, 27.92 held strong. We're right back up and testing major four-star resistance, 28.11, 28.14. We get above there, you're going to see a little bit of a melt up, 28.30. We have some great technicals in the charts building right now as well in the S&P, but also in the NASDAQ on the 30 and 60 minutes, moving very well back above 7,400. You have that daily chart cup and handle and the Russell forming. That's as well. You get some resistance at 17.10 in the Russell. It moves out above there. Buyers should be stepping in. We get a good close today. You're going to see that continue in through next week, barring any bad news over the weekend. Crude oil moving on. Crude oil it's held very well given the Chinese yuan compared to how the metals were beaten and battered. But the crude oil, this is some great price action. It's struggling to get out above 68.80 first key resistance, but these waves of selling are holding. Held first key support here a little bit ago. We're trying to get it back above 68.20. If it gets above there, I think the buyers stay in heading into settlement. And listen, if it gets above 68.80, there is still major three-star resistance right above there. There's a big wave of resistance, but we get above about 69.70 and 70 bucks. This is going to be very, very bullish in the September contract. Watch for that. Lastly, gold. Gold is moving extremely well off yesterday's 1210.7 low. This was a big range reversal to a T. It was hit. We started to see gold kind of push up. Even upon last night when the Chinese yuan was weakened, gold held 1216 area, which is key for us to see. It's moved out above first key resistance around 1227 for a second time. Would love to see it close above there. Still, there's some resistance against previous lows, 1236, 1238. We get above 1250, that's going to push those shorts to cover. We're looking forward to today's commitment of traders and seeing how big that net short position is getting as everybody's selling down here in the hole. Give us a call. We're here to talk about anything on the board, 312-278-0500. You can email us, info@bluelinefutures.com. You can hit our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.